Can you use Uber Eats group order feature? Well, the answer is yes, but it depends on the restaurant that you're ordering from. In order to check it, you want to simply open the Uber Eats application, and once you're inside the Uber Eats app, you want to simply search for a restaurant over here. After you have searched for a restaurant, say inside the fast food category, you'd be able to see all kinds of restaurants over here. You want to simply tap on one of the restaurants, and if the feature is available, you'll be able to see an option called Start Group Order once you open the cart over here. You want to simply add all of these items to your cart, and if the Start Group Order option is there, you want to simply tap on Start Group Order, and you'll be able to get an invitation link. You want to simply share that invitation link with your friends through your WhatsApp messages or any other messaging platforms, and by doing so, each person will be able to add their own items using the link. And once everyone has finished adding their item, you'll be able to review the order and place the group order, and by doing so, you'll be able to use Uber Eats group order feature. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.